Good morning, people of Taiwan, people of Philippines, people of Dubai. This our travel day. Ngayon ay tayo ay lilipad na papunta sa ating destination. But before that, tayo muna ay pupunta sa ano ngayon? Shanghai Sheikh. Memorial Hospital. Punta tayo doon para mag-picture, ganyan. But before that, hanap tayo ng ating kakainan. So, yeah. Bye! Mga naka-basic white lang kami. Our feet are Shein. New Balance.
Plain New Balance.
Shein, baka naman. Sobrang init ngayon, guys. Morning pa lang pero True. Tumutusok na yung ano sa balat namin. 'Di ba? Hey guys, good morning. So we are here sa Starbucks near sa Uniqlo. So I'm just getting on the iced latte because it's been like 3 days here in Taiwan but hindi ako nakainom ng masarap na kape. That's why I go to Starbucks. And ako lang ba yun, guys, na nakaka-experience dito sa Taiwan na sunog na kape, or maybe hindi lang ganun ka good yung palette ng nila para sa mga kape nila, or hindi ko ma-appreciate yung kape nila. Kaya tell me, guys, comment down below if you are if na-try nyo na dito magkape sa Taiwan, kasi I've been trying to like 3 times na kape dito but definitely it's not for me. And the Starbucks, medyo so-so. Alam naman natin yon na Starbucks, same naman sila. Pero dito parang medyo may pagka sunog, or I don't know. Baka gano'n lang talaga yung beans na ginagamit nila dito sa Dubai. So, yun, si Ara pumunta ng 7-Eleven to buy some things before tayo pumunta sa Shake Shack. Ewan ko, basta yun, yung area na yun, yung hall, or yung Memorial Hall. So, like ko nandito yung name niya mamaya. So, yeah. Let's eat the breakfast and we will go to there. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Shanghai Sheikh Memorial Hall Metro Station. Then, ako ay titikim na ng aking kinikrave at matagal nang nakikita na donut, na matcha donut ng Mr. Donut. Sarap. Sarap nga. Yeah, sarap siya.
Kaya alam ko pinapawisan, nakakat nga pala ako.
Medyo ano siya, tawag dito, makunat siya pero parang mochi type ng donut, ganun. Let's buy organizer. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Shanghai Sheikh Memorial Hall Station. So, lalabas lang tayo ng exit 5 para makapunta dun sa area ng Shanghai Sheikh. So, Guys, buti na lang tayo ay nagsa-sunblock, 'di ba? Kung hindi, sunog talaga tayo dito. Pero yun, naglalak na tayo papunta sa entrance ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. And yeah, here's the view here for the Chiang Kai-shek. Is a national theater, also it's here. And kwento lang guys, etong Chiang Kai-shek Memorial So, hello guys. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Taipei 101 near in World Trade Center, Taipei. And si Ara wala na. Ako na lang mag-isa ngayon. Before I directly to the airport, I will go to Taipei 101 first. So I can show you and share to you as well. And ang aking flight is 6 p.m. papuntang Shanghai Airport. And after that, we have 16 hours layover there before we go back to Dubai. So, magte-tren lang ako and gagamit po tayo sa Green Line to... Then after that, I will show you the station para if ever gusto niyo pumunta dito, meron kayong way na to use to it. So, see you in the down guys. So, let's go to Songshan Shandan Line or Banan Line. Baba tayo doon. Then from then, bababa tayo papuntang Xindian Green Line. Then from there, 6 stop going to Chiang Kai-shek. But mali yung binaba natin. Natin hanapin yung bababaan. Ximen, Xingkai. I think the Taipei building. Yeah, let's just hold on a second guys. I will just double check the train. So nandito na ako ngayon sa Taipei 101. Grabe, mga 2 or 3 beses ata ako nag-transfer papunta sa station na to. And let's see kung ano yung makikita natin view of Taipei 101 here. Yay! Taipei 101 guys. Makita. Yan, Taipei 101 na guys. Nandito tayo sa baba niya. Diba? So finally, we are here at Taipei 101, the 11th world tallest building in the world. Syempre, first is the Burj Khalifa, where we are staying. I mean, we are kung saan tayo naka-base, di ba? Pero dito yung talagang original na before first tallest building in the world, and now it's 11, which is the Taipei 101. I need you to bring down para makita niyo yung view, di ba? So yeah. Let's check. 3,380 NTD yung shoes na nabili ko. Pero ang ganda ng ang ganda ng mga bagong design ngayon. 3,700. Yellow shoes. Ang gaganda ng mga bagong design ngayon dito sa Onitsuka, guys. So lovely. Meron kasi yung ganito. Ano siya? 758. Kaso pang babae na to eh. Yung colorway na to. Yung iba tela lang, 5,000 na yun. Magkano to? Ito, 4,180. So, magkano siya? 4,180. Let's compute into dirhams siya, guys. Para ma-check natin kung magkano siya. Yung Onitsuka na shoes is 4,000, nasa 500 dirhams. Tapos yung 3,750, 455. So tumubo yung binilan ko ng most probably para nasa 200, 300 dirhams sa sa sapatos na binili kong Onitsuka. And let's put the mic here para nakasabit siya sa atin. Nasa kamay natin yung yung microphone. Dito sila lahat, guys. New Balance as well, nandito rin. And nakakaya kasing pumasok kung hindi ka naman titingin ng mga shoes or hindi ka naman bibili. Pero I think naman mas kung bibili kayo ng sapatos dito sa Taiwan or sa Taipei specifically, sa ABC Mart kayo tumingin kasi I saw my shoes, the NB530. It's roughly around 300 dirhams lang, pero nabili ko siya ng 500 plus. Most 500 plus. Kasi may discount tayo nakuha sa Namshi before. But kung bibilin mo siya ng normal lang, mga ganun pa rin. Pero dito, nakita ko, oh my god, yung presyo niya insane. Nasa 300 dirhams lang siya. So, get nyo na yun, guys. Yung ABC Mart, marami siyang in-offer ng mga discounted shoes, pero branded and good quality naman, and original naman yun. Kasi yun talaga yung trusted na shoe shop here sa Taiwan. Diba? So, yeah. Let's go out and try again the elevator challenge. And after that, we will just rest. And you will go back to the hotels and something lunch before we go back. And Din Tai Fung as well, it's here, the famous. And if you're familiar with Din Tai Fung is originally from Taiwan, and Xiaolongbao as well. So again, ito yung view ng Taipei 101 sa taas. Right? So, yeah, bye! Pababa na tayo ng MRT, guys. Kasi iba mo yan, napipindot-pindot natin eh. Kaya nagaganto-ganto siya. Susundan na lang natin yung way natin kanina. Kung saan tayo sumakay, kung saan tayo bumaba, para hindi tayo maligaw mamaya sa tren, diba? But as far I remember, bumaba ako sa Taipei 101, nag-exit ako na exit 6, then from there sasakay tayo ng tren papuntang Dana, then from Dana bababa tayo ng Chiang Mai, Then sakay tayo ng Chiang Mai Check Hall, Memorial Hall. Yeah. 3 minutes pa siya, guys. Kailangan ko muna ito ma-open bago ko sumakay ng tren. Or else, hindi tayo makakasakay. Diba? Tsaka guys, yung mga outfit nila dito talagang lovely. Minsan may mga, alam niyo, may pantulog, baka pantulog lang, nag-outfit, malabas na, ganun lang. Parang, I just woke up like this. Ganun guys. Di ba? Biglang mo to, ang ganda ng outfit niya. Baggy-baggy. Di ba? Yung mga outfitan nila dito guys. Minsan yung mga estudyante, papasok lang sa school, pero ang outfit, parang magko-concert. Okay, kami nakasabay kami one time. Yung outfit niya talaga guys. Parang ano, ewan, anong tawag doon sa outfit na gano'n. Kaya, here's my card. Out of service. Today, wala nang laman yung card natin. Kailangan natin mag-load later. 200 para maibalik natin. Saan ba tayo? Isa lang naman ata ito eh. 2 minutes pa guys. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung binababaan ko eh. Check ko pa siya bago ko sumakay. Dahil baka maligaw tayo guys. Yeah, here. Sakay tayo dito. Papuntang daan. Then sakay tayo ng brown. Going to Chiang Mai. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Tayo sa kanya. Isa lang siya. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 station. Yeah, 3 station going to Ximen. Yun guys. So, nag-aantay lang ako ng aking kakainin guys. Nandito ulit ako sa Toto Ramen. Dahil ito lang yung options na pwede mag-card kasi wala na akong cash. And, yun, bumili lang pala ako ng Dunkin Donut na matcha, 3 pieces para meron akong bakang papuntang Dubai. And, nantay ko lang yung order ko. And after natin kumain dito, pahinga lang tayo ng konti and balik tayo sa hotel. Doon na tayo magpalipas. Nabang natin yung oras natin para makapunta tayo ng airport kasi kung doon pa tayo mag-aantay sa airport na tayo mag-antay kaysa mag-antay kasi wala naman tayong ikutan and sobrang init din sila ng gantong oras. Kaya better na lang sa hotel talaga, sa airport na mag-antay para wala na tayong iisipin iba. Import natin guys. Itadakimasu. Ito nga ngayon ako sa Kung Fu Tea. So, bili lang tayo ng yung bestseller nila. Yung Oreo Black Warrior. $95. Excuse me. Can you It's okay. Sasha. Pinapasealed ko guys para ano kasi dadalhin natin sa airport. Ang sarap niya guys. Yan siya oh. Kung nakikita mo yun guys. Cute nung ano magawa. Yan siya. Can I ask for that as well? And plastic. Plastic. It's okay, I will give. $1?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. I will put here. Sheshe! So, balik na tayo ng hotel. Balilagay ko na lang to dun sa tawag dito sa ano ko yun sa cup holder ko para wala na tayong problemahin. Kaya papunta na dun sa airport lane ng train, yung express para yun na lang gamitin natin diretso. And kailangan ko na magmadali guys, i-update ko na lang kayo pag na-reach ko na yung airline yung train kasi kaya meron akong time. I just need to reach there within 15 minutes. So, I cannot vlog, guys. So, see you in the train, guys. Bye-bye. So, hi, guys. Finally, I'm here na sa Terminal 2, Taiwan Airport. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa check-in counter ko, which is number 2. Ay, grabe. Award. Grabe ang hingal ko. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina sa last video na may hahabulin ako. Buti na lang guys, nahabol ko 2 minutes na lang magsasarado na yung train or else magantay na naman ako ng 30 minutes and ayoko naman magantay, sayang yung takbo ko diba? So yun, so dito na tayo, pipila na tayo dahil mahaba ang pila for check-in. So let's go. Yeah. Because when I was a child, that's where we are like eating this kind of candy in the Philippines. That's why I know. Just sure, just like roaming around only. Maybe. Even the ice cream, no. I mean the candy itself, yes, I tried. But the thing, like this time, like this. Yeah. This is the White Rabbit like shops here in Shanghai. $21. $29. This is the thing. Yeah, it's like a milk candy like that. You don't have sample? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's chocolate. There's like more options.
微信收款8元。
They have also hand cream here, like different. Yeah. They have a different kinds of so cutie. So cutie guys. And they have like 1 pack of different kinds of flavor of the White Rabbit as well.
Let's
go.
元。
Let's go.
So cute. The background is nice.
Yeah, you're so confident.
Yeah. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Shanghai Skyline kasi kagabi kami dumating dito for 16 hours layover. And ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng chances na makuha yung mga view dito sa skyline nila. And I will show you the skyline. And later, diretso na kami ng paliparan para bumalik na ng Dubai. And meet Jasmine. So, yeah. With the skyline and the entrance here and the building in Shanghai. And kagabi medyo malamig. Hindi ganoon kainit dito ngayon sa Shanghai. And madaming pulis na umiikot-ikot. So, still safe. And yeah. Skyline of Shanghai. Shanghai. Sure. Huh?
It's 8:30.
You can check us in the yeah, 6:30 open. But I hope they will accept card here for sure. Let's see. Nice, right? The coffee break. Like in Brazil. Let's open it so we can not turn the paper. I think it's okay. Tissues. I think it's trash. Here.
Oh, okay, I threw it away.
It's okay. Let's go back to hotel. You can like go here.
Okay, stand here, and you can take a photo with it. Oh my god. Cool photo.
It has a real boba.
Oh my god, it's actually so good. What the hell?
It's my first time to try a latte with boba. It's giving. It's giving.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god, that's so refreshing. I'm so dying. Okay. Oh my god, do you want to try?
Later.
Yeah.
Trust us.
It's so refreshing. I even like coconut milk.
Uh-huh.
No one likes coconut milk.
Yeah. Actually, coconut milk is good with matcha as well. It boosts the extract of matcha tea, the matcha powder. Unlike on the normal milk. Oat milk as well is very good. You can try this as well. Okay. Yeah,
What do you think?
it's like a real coconut something. This one also
Oh my
good,
god.
right? Finally, I will turn you over to the view again here.
The view again. Flowers.
And the clock tower is there.
HSBC. Tell them.
Yeah, my card is not working. They said your card is not supported in the country.
Oh, okay. Then you need one that like you can travel with, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. I'll just ask that one. Because this card I use in Taipei.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know why it's not working here. It should be work because it's an international card. The lavender is giving. Right? It's so pretty. Yeah. And some flowers as well. It's giving a springtime.
Yeah.
Springs. And after that, it's summer. But literally in Taiwan, it's already summer. The hotness, the humidity, so much. It's giving sweating. Yeah. Shops is still closed. Are we in there in the street, right? Let's not do because maybe we get a fine. Yeah. It's giving. Yeah. I hope so.
I like the one where like you like slap, not slap hands, like you know you like touch your legs and like.
Yeah. Because I do before like some vlogs in like different country, but like I didn't talk much.
Oh yeah.
That's why even I'm walking, even I'm talking, I'm just taking video it. So especially when like if there is like a Filipino people, I'm shy to talk or something like that. Bye bye. airport.
Probably would have stayed there.
Okay guys, so we are here already sa airport. Pa-depart na tayo ng Dubai. And may konting share lang ako sa inyo kung paano ba ako nakarating dito sa Shanghai or paano ako nakalabas. So nakalabas ako dahil meron akong 16 hours layover. And if you have 16 hours or more, you are eligible to have at least 1 day or 24 hours free transit here. And you will just need to provide all the requirements or things that they need, like your boarding pass, your passport, and you just fill up the form. So I will put here the transit form from China Immigration. Then they just need your fingerprints, your face ID, and the rest it will be follow. And yun lang naman ang ano sa akin. And from the city, we used to or I download the DD application. So here's the DD application. So I will put here or link down below. So it's like from here to downtown, it takes like around 46 minutes. It's like 163 yuan money. So yun lang naman yung binayaran namin. And from the hotel, it's roughly starting from 35 dirhams to 300 dirhams. It depends on the kind of hotel na kukunin nyo. Diba? So, from there, nag-hotel kami and it's like a 5 minutes walk from the skyline that I will show you already. Then, yun naman, skyline. Like, wala kami nakita ng gabi. So, bumili lang kami ng pagkain sa Family Mart because it's too late. And kung gusto nyo maabutan, I think before 9 p.m. or 8 p.m., kayo pumunta dahil para makita nyo yung night view ng skyline nila dito. And it's quite good and cold, not much hot than unlike sa Taiwan na sobrang init. And from ganun din naman ginamit namin pabalik ng airport, DD application. And also guys, make sure that your card is working with Alipay because I struggle a lot regarding on the Alipay and I don't have like cash and like even my card as well is not working anymore here. I don't know why, because I use my card in Taiwan but still not working in China. I tried to register and connect it with Alipay but still it's not connecting or it's not working. So yeah, and thank God I'm safe here. I'm here and going back to Dubai. Then yeah, I will show you. Let's see and let's go together going back to Dubai, diba? So that's all, and see you in the airplane because I was just eating, or maybe I will put a like video eating the croissant that I bought in Starbucks. So I'm just like so much sweating because it's too much walk and here it's quite hot in the airport. So that's all. So yeah, bye. Boarding gate. That's the area. My luggage. Maraming like ito siya hi, back to reality again guys, back to Dubai. China is done. Hello. Economy class is here. Soon magiging mag-try tayo mag-business class. Soon. It's very expensive. In business class, guys. Hello. 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 Yes, yes. May kailangan ko dito. So hello guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa aeroplano and we are on the way to Dubai and I'm sitting here sa exit. So emergency exit. So and I'm waiting for the food para tuloy-tuloy yung pahinga natin. Hindi ako maka-speak ng ano dahil medyo maingay yung aeroplano. Right now, nakaka-experience kami ng turbulence. And yun lang, I just update you guys. Diba, nawakan ko yung mic para at least hindi ako mapagod and some stuff like that. So, yeah. What the dog doing? Hi, back to reality na naman tayo guys. Ba't ka na baba dyan? Ito ako. Ayan. Ito ng araw. Nakaka-fresh. Fresh sa 10 hours flight. Sana all, di ba? So baggage claim and let's claim our luggage. See you there guys. Wow. Hi guys, finally I'm home and yun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo na sinamahan nyo ako sa journey ko from Taiwan to Shanghai vlog. And yeah, I will just end this vlog here. And yeah, yun lang naman. Babalik na naman tayo sa pagiging trabahante natin or trabahador dito sa Dubai. And I hope you see you soon on the other vlogs and other videos that will keep coming. And also sana samahan nyo rin ako sa katulad ng pagsama nyo sa akin sa Taiwan sa susunod na trip na ating gagawin. That will be on June. So I hope you will wait for it. And yeah, see you guys in the next videos. Bye!